Hi, Ross here for First Line Distribution, and welcome to this overview of the Wampler pedals Cory Wong compressor. Cory Wong has redefined funk guitar with his own unique style and take on it, but as a Grammy-nominated artist, he's also responsible for some of the coolest music across many genres. Cory's clean tone and signature riffs are unmistakable, and a huge part of that tone is compression. As a long-time user of the Wampler Ego compressor, Brian simply had to work with Cory to develop his own signature pedal, the Cory Wong compressor. Cory needed more versatility, and that's what he got. This is not your average compressor, this goes much further. For the compression part of the pedal, you have 5 controls. Attack controls the compressor response, clockwise for a slower attack, and counterclockwise for a faster attack. Volume controls, as you would expect, the overall volume of the pedal. There's enough output in this for any situation you can encounter, even at super high compression levels. Tone adds presence to your sound. This can really help cut through and add sparkle to darker amps. The blend control lets you blend in any amount of compression effect you need on top of your dry signal. Off is 100% dry, while full is 100% wet. This means you can still have some of the dry signal and retain dynamics, or go full compression. Sustain lets you control how long the note sustains for. With sustain normally reserved for gainier tones, this control gives players access to those beautiful long-lasting notes, even with the cleanest of tones. There's a foot switch to turn the compressor on and off, but on the side there's a really cool always on feature, which means if your pedals are close together or you've got big feet, you're not going to turn this off by accident. So let's have a listen to some sounds. As you can hear, you can get a lot of different compression levels out of this, but it's not just about compression. There's an independent boost circuit built in as well. The boost knob controls the level of the boost, and the selector switch gives you either a full frequency boost or a mid boost set at 550 Hz. The full frequency gives you up to 15 dB, while the mid boost gives you up to 18 dB. Let's have a listen to that. Now, the Cory Wong compressor doesn't stop there. Some of the most iconic guitar and bass tones ever recorded were direct to desk. Now, this pedal is also a DI box with a ground lift if you need it, so let's have a listen to some direct sounds. So there you have it, the Wampler Pedals Cory Wong compressor. It packs a lot into a small box. A lot of features that benefit modern players, as well as super functional things like the DI and the boost circuit. This also comes with Wampler Pedals' famous 5-year guarantee for your peace of mind. So go and check one out today, and thanks for watching.